Well, hey friends, it's Emily here at Hopscotch Interactive, and I'm sitting right here at the reflection pool across from the Capitol building. This is about as far as I'm probably going to make it to meet with one of the senators' offices this week. I haven't heard back from Senator Padilla's policy advisors on a bill that I would like to discuss with my representatives here in Washington or back in California. It doesn't really matter. And that is HR 2864. It's the CCP drone ban. It's the bill that was introduced last spring, by a Republican from New York, and so Stefanik is her last name. And basically the idea is that Chinese-made equipment, and in particular DJI drones, which are used by law enforcement. They're also used by real estate photographers, people in a ton of industries, from agriculture. They're the world's largest drone manufacturer, and they own a tremendous amount of the market in the US because they are really the best drone, and they have the best camera quality. We use them all of the time in our business, and so do a lot of people. And in fact, a lot of lives are saved every year because of the use of the thermal drone imaging from things like the DJI Matrice 30T, which is one of the best drones that you can use to locate lost pets or locate people that have gone missing. So life-saving drone technology, I think wrapped up in this is, of course, a lot of politics around surveillance and the Chinese Communist Party and concerns for national security. I absolutely have those concerns too. However, I think that it is pointing out the drone industry in particular because there's, wariness around drones already. They fly in the sky. They make a lot of noise. They seem like they may have privacy, or there may be privacy invasions anyways, just with drones, but or people flying drones. But that's a perception that isn't really I think representative of what the drone industry and FAA licensed drone pilots, how they feel about this technology. And again, like, the physical impacts are huge if you look at not permitting future DJI drones, not the ones that are already here from what I understand, but future DJI drones to be used in operation here in the US. We were also asked in the fall, we had been asked long before that, but we needed to also enable remote ID on our drones. So anybody who is already flying a drone in the US is already having that drone theoretically trackable and tracked when they take off. So, I'm trying to unpack all of this. I think that folks from the commercial drone industry are very concerned because this is their livelihood. And also, is there really surveillance going on with these drones? And I don't think that lawmakers really understand the complexity of this. And I think that it would be easy to point a finger, but you could also point a finger at the phone that I'm shooting this on, or any technology that has been, manufactured in some or in part by, manufacturing facilities overseas or in China. So before we jump to, making this bill a law, I think that we need to really understand it. And so I really hope everybody will reach out to their representatives. In the link, I'm going to put a way for you to reach out on this bill to talk to your representatives, your senators, your congressmen and women, and to make your voices heard about this. I hope that Padilla's office will meet with me. It might be when I'm back in California. I don't know that it'll happen here, but certainly, like, taking a walk here in Washington. I'm visiting from California for a totally unrelated purpose, but since I'm here, it's such a historic place where I think that, even walking around here, you feel a bit of emotion because you're like, oh my gosh, here I am in the nation's capital, and I can share my beliefs freely about what I think about this ban, what I think about this bill, and that's exactly what we're here to do in this country anyway. So anyway, thanks so much. Please leave your comments, and if you are getting active or want to get active in talking to your local politician about drones and even getting law enforcement to weigh in on this, I think it's really important. So thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please leave a comment, and I'll definitely do some follow-ups and some interviews with some folks I've been reached out to by people at DJI. I'm in the various forums, the commercial drone pilots Facebook group is amazing. Thanks, guys. And hello from Emily in Washington. All right. Thanks. Bye.